All right, first graders, here we are, the very last blueprints of your first grade career. Can you believe it? Are you kind of sad? Are you kind of happy? How are you feeling? I'm honestly feeling really proud of you. We have done 30 weeks of blueprints. 30 weeks. Do you know how incredible that is? So today is the very last one. This doesn't mean we're going to stop learning, but you guys have gained all of the phonics skills you know that you can learn in first grade to be like really capable first grade readers. All right, so it's Friday, yay, which means our blueprints will be a little shorter. We read this week the story called The Hat, which was an excerpt from Frog and Toad. You learned about frogs, you learned about toads. We can do it. Well, we found out you can do it. You did do it. You completed all of your work. You just have done such an amazing job this week. Today's your last day. You've got probably a little bit left to do. And, well, or this is probably the beginning of your day, but hopefully you get to get out and enjoy the sunshine. I think it's supposed to be amazingly warm today. Our strategy is to monitor and clarify, and we looked at cause and effect this week. All right, let's take a look at monitor and clarify again. Whenever I read and I don't understand, I do 3 things before I raise my hand. I can reread, look at the pictures, or read ahead. All right, here we go. Golly Moses, I can't really remember if today is a stretcher. I think it's a stretcher's day. Oh my gosh, I don't have my paper in front of me, so we're going to guess. I'm going to say it's a stretcher's day, and I'm going to make up the words for today. Are you ready? All right, first word, toad. How many sounds did you hear? Did you hold up those 3 fingers? T, O, D. Let's see. Don't be lazy on your last day. Don't remember to hold up those fingers. All right, next word. Ready? Fast. All right, how many? How many sounds did you hear? Hopefully you're holding up a 4. Hey, we usually do 2 more. Let's see. Your next word is red. Yep, 3 fingers you should be holding up. Our last word is frog. All right, how many fingers are you holding? Hopefully 4. F, R, A, G. Great job. All right, our affix review. What does ER mean? What does that suffix ER mean? It's the sound and it means what? More. It means more. Or we could be talking about someone who. For example, a teacher who is someone who teaches. All right, the suffix EST, what sound does that make? Yep, you should be saying est, and that means the most, and we use that when we're comparing 2 or more things. So not just like 2, it has to be more than 2. All right, our suffix ly, which makes what sound? You should be saying lee. That means in a way that is. Our next prefix is re, right? Re says re. What does that mean again? Should be doing again or back. How many of you did a hand motion there too? All right, we are gonna skip this. You've done it for 4 days. We're taking a break for day 5 because you rock. All right, here we go. Irregular word review. We're not gonna spell. We are just going to read. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say a word. I want you to try to read it on your own. If you get stuck and you can't read it, I will read it with you the second time. All right, here we go. Word. All right, you should have said thought. Word should be I. Word. Give yourself a pat on the back if you got beautiful. That was a hard one. Word. Yep, you should have said sorry. Word. That word is smaller. Nice job if you got it. Word. That one should have been a little easier. Give. Word. It's a compound word. Did you say something? Word. Oh, I know this one's hard. I know. You got it. You. Word. Yep, you should have said walk. Word. Did you say tonight? So let's see. Hopefully you did. Word. Yeah, you know this one from kindergarten. What? And our sounds. Here we go. Sound. 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 All right, you should have said on all 3 of those. Sound. Sound. Remember that IGH says what? I. Sound. sound. Yep, we've got again. Sound, sound, sound. Well, you said I. Sound, sound. Yep, hopefully you got it. Did you say Did you say I hope so. All right, day 5. The very last time I'm clicking on a star for this year. And you guys don't have to tell me which day. I remember some days I'm like, which day is it? And I was like, Mrs. Heald, it's day 5. I know it because it's Friday and I'm excited. Here we go. Day 5. We got this. Sound, sound. So I could say ow or it could say oh. We'll have to blend it in a minute and see. Blend. So it could be row. It could be row. Sound. Blend. Is it roan or round? Sound. Blend. All right. If you said round, you are correct. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Great job. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. That CH says ch. Blend. Word. Good job. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Awesome. You should be saying trip. Sound. Sound. Remember that makes the sound. Blend it. Sound. Blend. All right, it's our first syllable. Birth. Sound. Like you know what it's going to be. Sound. Yeah, blend it together. You should have day. Put it all together now. Birthday. Clap it out. 2 syllables. Let's go. How many do you see? 1. Birthday. Oh my gosh, I totally gave the answer. Did you guys hear me say 2 syllables? Yeah, you probably did. You're really good listeners. If you also got 2 syllables, give yourself a pat on the back. Where are we going to divide it? Between which 2 letters? Which 2 letters? Yep, the H and the D. Amazing. You guys are superstars. I'm so proud of you. Stay focused. Get the rest of your work done so you can enjoy this beautiful Friday.